Hi, my name is Narada Dan Vantari. Welcome to this walkthrough of installing the free Book of Light screensaver for Mac. The Book of Light is a unique creation, and I hope you will get many hours of inspiration from its more than 1,600 beautiful multicultural archetypal images. You can preview the whole screensaver if you like at angelicinterface.com/screensaver. This is version 1.0 and runs on Mac OS 10.12 or later. Make sure you have enough space on your hard drive, as you will need about 4 gigabytes of space for the screensaver and another 3 gigabytes for temporary files that you will delete after installation. There is also a version for Windows computers. There are 3 phases to install the Book of Light and turn your computer's downtime into a doorway to a higher dimensional temple that will delight you with new images for many months to come. The first phase is to download and unzip the 3 zip files that contain the 30 chapter videos. When you download them, make sure you save them into a folder that you will create inside the Macintosh Users Shared folder. The second phase is to download and install the fabulous free Mac screensaver called Arial, which was created as a freeware by some Mac screensaver enthusiasts. The third phase is to change some settings in the Arial Options panel to tell Arial where to find the videos and to set your screen size and enable or disable the soundtrack. We will also set the length of time you want your system to remain idle before it launches the screensaver. If you're computer savvy, that may be all you need to know. But if you're not confident in installing new programs, then pause this video at each step as you follow along. I'm going to assume that you've already signed up as a member at angelicinterface.com/join. If not, please do that first. Membership is totally free, so please share your membership links so that your friends can also enjoy the free gifts that we offer. Let's begin by creating the folder that you will save the video files into. Open Finder and navigate to the Macintosh Users Shared folder. Then go to the File menu at the top of the screen and make a new folder inside the Shared folder called Book of Light. Great. Now, if you haven't already, log into angelicinterface.com/login. Once you are logged into the Members Lounge, on the left menu, you will see the Book of Light screensaver. Click that and then select Download Here. Scroll down the page to the Mac OS Instructions section. First, use the links to download the 3 zip files of videos one at a time. If your system asks you where to save the files, then navigate to the new folder you created inside the Macintosh Users Shared folder and save the 3 files you download into this folder. If your system automatically saves the files in Downloads without asking you where to save them, then you'll have to cut and paste them from there into your new folder. Once the zip files are in your new folder, open one of them by double-clicking on it. In the unlikely event that you don't have your machine set up already to open zip files, you'll have to install the free WinZip for Mac or some similar program first. There is a link to that on the same download page as the video files download. Make sure you unpack all 30 of the MP4 video files into the Book of Light folder, not a subfolder. Once you have done this, delete the 3 zip files you downloaded, as they are not needed anymore and will be taking up space on your hard drive. You can now play the 30 chapters manually anytime you wish from here. However, let's continue to set them up as a screensaver. Use the link on the same download page to download the latest version of Arial from their website. Once it is downloaded, double-click the Arial companion file to begin the install process. Although we are using Arial to run the Book of Light, we are not the makers of the Arial program, nor associated with them. We're grateful to them for making it available to everyone as freeware like this. In the unlikely event that you have any problems installing or running it, please use their support forum to get help. Now let's check that Arial is installed properly. Then we will change some settings and make sure it can access the Book of Light videos. Go to the top left Apple icon and then open System Settings. Find Screensaver on the left-hand menu. Then on the Screensaver page, scroll to the bottom, and if you do not see the new Arial icon, then click the Show All link, as it's probably hidden behind all the other screensavers your Mac came with. Select the Arial icon, and then at the top of the page you should see a preview screen for Arial and an Options button. Open the Options panel. On the menu, go to the More Videos page. Untick all the boxes on the More Videos page to make sure Arial doesn't download more drone footage videos. So now click the Add Local button at the bottom of the More Videos page and navigate to the folder full of videos that you created in the Macintosh Users Shared folder and select it. Great, the screensaver should now be set up to only use the Book of Light videos. Next, on the left menu, go to Displays and make sure that Aspect is set to Fit to Screen. Then go to Overlays on the left menu and Music on the second menu that opens up, and tick Enable to make sure music is turned on. You may wish to come back here to disable the music if you prefer a silent screensaver. But we do include a wonderful collection of music donated by some very generous musical friends of ours. Then click the Close button at the bottom left. Only one more setting to change now. Back in the System Settings, go to the Lock Screen section. This is where Mac hides the setting for how many minutes the system should wait before launching the screensaver. I suggest 10 to 15 minutes is a good start. And of course, you can come back in and change all these settings whenever you want to. You can also launch the screensaver from the preview link on the main screensavers screen. One last touch, if you would like to set up a hot corner so you can launch the screensaver easily by moving your mouse to a corner of your screen, then go to Desktop and Dock and select a corner. Congratulations on finishing the installation of the Book of Light screensaver. I hope you find its distillation of the wisdom and beauty of humanity uplifting and entertaining. Please tell your friends online and offline about our free gifts. I look forward to co-creating an amazing future together. My name again is Narada Danvantari. I would love it if you send me a short review of the screensaver and any experiences you have with it, using the contact form on the website. I hope we can keep in touch through our forum at sacredgeometryforum.com, and I'll be sending you the occasional angelic interface newsletter. Till then, may the flow be with you.